Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Athena and JDBC drivers securely, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS Athena using JDBC drivers securely, start by ensuring you have the necessary prerequisites. Make sure you have an AWS account and the required IAM permissions to access Athena. Download the appropriate JDBC driver for AWS Athena from the AWS website. Install the JDBC driver on your machine by following the instructions provided in the documentation. Open your preferred integrated development environment, IDE, or code editor. Create a new project or script file for your JDBC connection. In your project, include the JDBC driver in your class path. Establish a connection string using the following format: JDBC Athena //AWS_region, authmec. Replace AWS_region, your _access _key, your _secret _key, and S3 output. For enhanced security, consider using IAM roles instead of hard-coding access keys and secret keys. If using IAM roles, adjust the connection string to use authmec = 2 and configure your AWS credentials through the AWS CLI or SDK. Next, initialize your database connection using the drivermanager.getConnection method with your connection string. Once connected, create a statement object to execute SQL queries against Athena. Use the execute query method to run SQL statements and retrieve results. After executing your queries, ensure you close the result set, statement, and connection objects to free up resources. Implement error handling to catch exceptions during the connection and query execution processes. Finally, test your script to verify the authentication and query execution work as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.